Hey YouTube, how's it going? I hope everybody's doing good out there during these hard times. I know we shall get through it, and you just gotta stick together, help people out, and just stay safe. All right, so let's get going. Let's get started for this HTML. So let's see. Right now we are doing the HTML document standards, and this shall be HTML document standards part 3. And in this section, we'll be learning about linking at will and linking to the same page. Okay, let's go. So, HTML document standards, linking at will. You probably visited websites where not all links were made up of text. Maybe the links you clicked on were images or some other form of content. So far, we added links that were made up of only text, the following. So here's an anchor tag, href, website, target, and it's underscore blank, and description prickly bear. The underscore blank means opening a new tab. All right, great. Uh, Text only links, however, would significantly decrease your flexibility as a web developer. Thankfully, HTML allows you to turn nearly any element into a link by wrapping that element with an anchor element. With this technique, it's possible to turn images into links by simply wrapping the image element with an anchor element. The code description right here is saying anchor, href, website, target, underscore blank, which opens a new page, image, source, website of the picture leading to the picture JPEG, alt equals red prickly bear. The alt is basically when the picture doesn't load on a web page. Alternate is for screen readers so they could know what the picture is supposed to be. So if this picture does not load up, it'll just say a red prickly bear. In the example above, an image of a prickly pear has been turned into a link by wrapping the outside of the image element with an anchor element. Instructions. In index.html, transform the image on your page into a link by wrapping the image element with an anchor element. Set the target attribute so that the link opens in a new window. Your image element should be a nested tag inside your anchor element. Use the same URL as before. So we're going to use this URL right here. Okay. In the index.html, transform the image on your page into a link by wrapping the image element with the anchor element. Okay, let's do that. So where is it at? So here is the website. So we gotta make it an anchor. So it's already anchor right here. So what we're gonna do? So href. So this reads target blank. Learn more. So under media, let's see. Let's look at where's our media. Oh, here we go. Oh, JPEG. Got this media here. So let's wrap this. Let's go ahead and wrap this one right here. So I'm gonna enter, make some space. Go ahead and do an A. Let's href equals And just put that link here. Do they have one already? No, okay. Brown bear. That's there. Do a target. And then we got to put a blank underscore BLA blank. And then close this. Our image is right here. So let's bring this up a little bit more. I'm going to use this. Image. We got to close this anchor tag. Let's bring this down and close this with an anchor tag. Bring this down here. Let's run it. Did you add the target and href attribute to the anchor tag? Let's see. So let's read our code. Anchor href equals quotes http brown bear quotes target equals blank no underscore blank quotes then image and then source. Let's bring it up here. Okay, so let's set the size. Okay, here we go. A little bit smaller. I don't know why it came like that. So bring this back here. Let's run it. Okay, great, got it. But there's an error right here. Special characters must be escaped. So let's open this window up and try to clean it up, make it nice. Okay, so we're gonna head. Let's see if this will work. So that got removed. So what is it saying? Special characters must be escaped. Let's see if I put this here. No. You not want no errors on the page. So what if we put this down here? And this down here. Will this work? No. Huh. What is not getting escaped? So ahref target blank. It's confusing when it says that. Oh, so it's right here. Must be escaped. So how would we figure that out? So underscore blank quotes. Let's try to extend this. And make that next to each other. Does that matter? Can this go here? No. Let's close this. Let's try to make it in this. So let's bring this back. It's pointing to this right here, so maybe we could do this. No. Saying it must be escaped. What is this saying? Special characters must be escaped. Target must be paired, no start tag. So we keep this together here. Let's go blank. This is tricky, but it still runs. It still runs, but it just wants to be, has to be together, I guess. Huh. This is tricky right here. This work? Trying to figure out how the escape is saying it's escaped. So these ones. href. Let's try that. And then what else needs to be? This right here needs to be still works. The code works, but it's getting strict, I guess. It's getting really strict. And then let's put this over here. I'm not too sure why this is acting weird. Okay. Let's go this way. Anchor tag href equals quotes http colon website, and then your target equals quotes blank underscore, and then an image tag is connected. Source. Maybe this has to be together. I was thinking maybe this right here section has to be together. This to run. And then you have your quotes here. This is escape back here. Run over here. All the same line. What error is it now? Miss escaped. I don't understand what. Oh, that's not good code. Okay, we could just. I want to fix this though. I don't want to move on until we fix this. But let's see. Image source. Don't know why this is buggy like this. Let's look at the other ones. Let's see. See, this is fine right here. Oh, maybe. There we go. I guess this has to be. This can't be together like this. It needs to be split. So I guess that means special character must be escape tag, must not be paired with a start tag. Okay. So there we go. All right, next part, next section. Linking to the same page. Okay. Let's do this. Linking to the same page. At this point, we have all content we want on our page. Since we have so much content, it doesn't fit. It doesn't all fit on the screen. How do we make it easier for a user to jump to a different portions of our page? When users visit our site, we want them to be able to click a link and have the page automatically scroll to a specific section. In order to link to a target on the same page, we must give the target an ID like this. So p tag, paragraph tag, ID equals top, and then description, this is the top of the page. H1 ID, the bottom, this is the bottom, closing with a H1. In this example, the paragraph element is assigned an ID of top, and the H1 element is assigned to the bottom. An ID can be added to the most elements added to most elements on a web page. An ID should be descriptive to make it easier to remember the purpose of a link. The target link is a string containing the hashtag or a pound character, and the target element ID. So OL order list href top, and then anchor tag list anchor tag href bottom. So this will basically bring you to the top and bottom of the pages. In the example above, the links to p ID equals top and h1 bottom are embedded in the order list. These links appear in the browser as a numbered list of links, and ID is especially helpful for organizing content belonging to a div. All right. So instructions under the H1. So where's the H1? Here we go. Under the H1 element that says bound bear, create an order. Oh, it's already created. This is already created for you. So we'll do it over again. We'll do this over again. Because I was recording the video the other day and my internet cut out. So it like shut off the whole Codecademy and everything, and I couldn't access the internet. And I was gonna upload this, but we'll just start over again. So we'll make it all clear. So let's do it. Under H1, what do we do? So under the H1 element that says brown bear, okay, right here, this section right here, create an unordered list with the following 3 list items. Okay, that's fine. So what do? We go open with an unordered list, and then we close an order list, make spaces. Okay, in between, we got to make our list items. All right. So these list items will revolve around. So copy this. Is that? Close it with a list. What you could do is you could just copy this and then just bring it down like that. Or you could type it out to get used to it. It's good to keep doing it over and over, typing over and over again, so you could just have it like memorized, the fill and everything. So we'll type this out. Li open. Just closing it. Okay, good. So what do? We put introduction side of it. The side of introduction, and then have it at media. Okay, great. Let's run it. Nice, it worked. Okay, so wrap the text of each list item in the unordered list in an anchor element. For each tag should link to the corresponding div on the page. The anchor element that contains the text introduction links to the introduction. Okay, great. Let's do it. So we got to make this a href. So anchor it equals introduction, and then we close it, and then make sure at the end we need to anchor it. So how do you do that? We close that anchor element. There we go. And then we do the same thing for the next one. Href equals habitat. And then we make this sure. Let's see if this one works. Anchor element. Got to keep it closed here. So anchor element. Another anchor element. Href equals media. And then we put our anchor. There we go. So let's run it. Did you open the anchor element tag introduction? Oh, okay. So just read it again. So list, unordered list. So list right here. And then ahref equals quotes pound introduction. Oh, we forgot to close that. So this next one right here, li href equals quotes habitat. You need to close it right here. And then remove this. That's fine. Link a href equals quotes media. We need to close this right here. There we go. So clean this up right here. Bingo. All right. Good job. Nice work. You extended your streak for 2 days in a row. All right, guys. That's it. I hope you liked this video, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And for that, the next section will be working on white space and then indentation. That will be part 4. That will be part 4. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks, and be safe and keep coding, and stay strong out there, guys. All right. Signing out.